Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to add follow button on Facebook. So first of all, open your Facebook account. So first of all, I'm checking my profile. First, enable to mobile version. Click on to mouse left side. I'm select iPhone 12 Pro. Now shown here to the mobile version. Simply click on to three dot. Click on View As. Now shown here my profile is showing to the add friend option. So now I'm provide how to add follow button. So go back. Click on to three line. Scroll down. Settings, scroll down, click on here. Now customize this option everyone to friend and go back, select followers and public content. It's always enable to public. So go back. Now I'm checking my profile. Okay, now successfully add to follow button. This is my profile. So that's how you can do it.